Stir-fried lobster and chicken. A main dish from Hong Kong. Serves 2. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. To make the sauce, mix the chicken broth, oyster sauce, sesame oil, white pepper, salt and sugar to taste, and a little starch for thickening. Step 2. Shell the lobster. You will get approximately ½ pound of meat. Cut the lobster meat into slices, sprinkle with a little starch. Set aside. Bone chicken, you will get approximately
Step
8
3.
ounces of meat. Cut into slices. Add the egg white and mix in a little starch. Set aside. Remove head and tails of the spring onions. Wash and cut diagonally into lengths. Peel and crush
Step
the clove
4.
of garlic. To stir fry, wash and dry the wok. Put on fire until very hot. Put in ladle of oil. Swirl oil in wok and empty oil back into the container. Put in a fresh ladle of oil.
Step 5.
Quickly add the
Pre-cook
lobster
for 30
and chicken
seconds.
slices. Drain, leaving 1 tablespoon oil in wok. Add crushed garlic, ginger slices, spring onions and straw mushroom. Stir fry for a few seconds, then add the CountryReports, pre-cooked chicken culture, and lobster countries, slices. Travel. Sprinkle with the